Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed deep into Wisconsin cheese country. We're about an hour east of the Twin Cities and we're gonna go check out a trail that runs along Cady Creek. It runs 10 miles or so and it looks to be a lot of fun, so I'm excited to go check it out. Now this route starts just south of the Cady Creek Cheese Factory on the southern edge of St. Croix County. And it'll work its way about 10 miles south to the town of Elmwood. Something else you'll see on the northern half of this route is some maple syrup farms. Along the road, you'll find a lot of local farms, and you're going to find some Amish farms. In fact, I passed a few Amish buggies on the way here this morning. Not too often that I run into road closures when I do back roads in Wisconsin, but this time we did. It looks like this is a minimum maintenance road, and it looks like it's going to drop pretty steep because it says there's no trucks allowed on this road at all. So I'm assuming this time of year that minimum maintenance road is pretty icy and it hasn't been plowed, so I'm not going to try it. But I am going to take some back roads and we're going to go to the other side of it where it comes out and continue on with the trail. Should be pretty neat. Well, all right, I made it to the other end of the road closure here, and I don't know if the camera shows you, but this is a super steep, deep valley, and I understand now why it's closed, because if that's icy, there's no stopping if you start sliding down, and it is a long way down. This is a really deep ravine, and there's a farm down here, and they're busy doing some farming, as you can see. So we're going to continue on, and we're going to enjoy this road. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm just surprised just almost how mountainous this feels right now in this section that is the north section. We'll see if it continues or if it levels off and kind of follows the river, which it looks like it might do. So anyway, it's a great road. I'm having a lot of fun. So here's the other end of that closed section. And as you can see, it is just glare ice all the way up the hill. And it is super steep. It's really hard to see, but it is definitely steep, and I'm glad I didn't drive it. Another thing about this route is you'll find the Cady Creek fisheries area. It's more on the south side as you get closer to Elmwood, but it looks to be a great place to do some trout fishing if you're into that. Well, there you have it. That's the route that runs along Cady Creek, and it goes into the town of Elmwood, Wisconsin. It runs about 10 miles, and it's a road you really have to pay attention to because it's steep, and there are some very tight turns. And right now, it's really gravelly because of the winter that's going away, and they haven't cleaned the streets yet. So just be aware of that. But it's an absolutely beautiful drive. I'm really surprised at just how mountainous it really feels. You know, that first north half, the steep ravines, and just the wonderful weaving through the valley and the trees. And then it opens up where it runs along the creek bed in this valley. And it's just beautiful. You've got hills on one side and open, vast land on the other. And it's just beautiful. And again, it runs into the town of Elmwood, and I believe it merges with the Ogalla River here in town. But if you get a chance, go do it. It's an absolutely beautiful drive, and I'm really, really glad I found it. It's just a nice road. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like. That would be great. And a share is always good too. And a subscribe. That really helps me out. So until the next wonderful road that we find, I will see you guys down the road. Take it easy. So if you're going to go ahead and go do this route, you have to stop in and check out the Cady Cheese Factory. I just did, and I got myself some salami cheese right here, and I got myself some Colby Jack cheese. Looking forward to having that with lunch. Anyway, come on down here. It's a pretty cool area. Great road. Check it out. Thanks for watching.